In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Fortnite crashing on PC. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, there's a few different things that we're going to go ahead and do. The first one is going over to your Epic Games launcher. Before you even open up Fortnite or anything like that, we're just going to go over to the launcher, then go to your library, and then go ahead and find Fortnite. Now, once you find it, mine's on actually my next page. Press these three little dots, and then you're going to see manage as one of the options. Once you press manage, what you want to do is verify your files. This is going to be very, very important because this basically checks if there's any files missing or if there's any corrupted files in your Fortnite database. It's basically going to replace them with the correct things. Now, what you could also do is if you don't want it to auto update, you can also do that as well. But there are going to also be some launch options which you can go ahead and use. So one of the options, like let's say if you're getting stuck on the loading screen or anything like that, you want to go to these launch options area, enable it, and then you want to type in dash no splash. That's going to take away the loading screen. And then what you could also do is if there's like a resolution error or anything like that, you could also try, just do a space and then do limit no screen resolution and try both of those. My Fortnite works fine though, so I'm not going to do those. But then once you go ahead and do that, another thing you can do is force a clean Epic Games cache flush. So we can just go ahead and close out of that now. Press Windows key and R, and then type in percentage local app data, percentage at the end as well. Then go ahead and press OK. It's then going to look like this. Now what we're going to do is find Fortnite game, which is going to look like this. And all you want to do is right click on the saved folder and then select to delete. So we just want to go ahead and delete this. And then this purely flushes temporary system config assets and local layout caches. It's not going to alter your inventory in the game or any of your skins or any level progression or anything like that. It's just your cache. But then your game should be running smoothly and it won't be crashing either.